One of the things writers always get asked is how long did it take you to write this story, or this novel, or this play, or this poem? And it really all depends on the actual piece. Some pieces come very quickly, especially when you're writing, say, an essay or a poem. Others take a very, very long time, such as novels. But that's not to say that a short story or a poem uh, couldn't have been years in the making. We often write things down, work them through, and never get back to them until we finally go, yeah, I understand what that is now, and go back and rework it. But my standard answer for how long did it take you to write XYZ has always been to state my age. So, for example, if somebody asked me when Get Back, my novella, came out, and they said, how long did it take you to write this? I would say to them, well, it took me 35 years, that being the age at which the novella was released. So, with my latest book, The Smallest Universe, it's coming out in the year that I turned 50. I know, you can't believe that, but I am turning 50. And I kind of started to think about that. So my response to, if somebody asked, how long did it take you to write The Smallest Universe, I would say 50 years. But then I started to think a bit more about that, and I thought, well, what can I do to talk about sort of, not only what it took, 50 years to write something like that, but what are the reasons why you ended up writing this particular story? And so I'm going to do the 50 reasons why I wrote The Smallest Universe. And today, let's do number 50. The reason I wrote The Smallest Universe is because I was curious.